Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how title function is going to be work. Title function generally converted the string, the words within the string, each beginning character in the uppercase form. Understand? What is the meaning of each and every character of the beginning character of a particular inside the sentence? If there is a multiple words and each word beginning letter is going to be uppercase, so convert the first character of each word in uppercase form. Okay, so let's see how the entire um, functionality is going to be work inside the string. So first you have to declare text equal to welcome to everything in small letter inside the string. Come to Lingaraj Techhub. Fine. Then x equal to text dot title. Fine. Then print x. Okay. Let's see. Here each word inside the string is converted to the uppercase. Here you written as a lowercase form of each character in all the words inside the sentence in a lower form. When it is going to be contact with the title function, it is converted to the inside the string. Each word is converted to the beginning character is converted to the uppercase form. Okay, that is the simple format, a simple form. Title function generally used for converting each character in a word in uppercase form. The first character in a word, each character, not the first character in a word inside the string. Okay, inside the statement or inside the sentence, each word, the beginning character is going to be converted to the uppercase if it is in the form of lowercase. And if there is a doubt comes in a mind that if there is each word, a beginning character of word in capital already in present, okay, it already present like this. So when it is going to be write text dot title, then print x. Fine. So write down. Okay. So here see, then nothing going to be changed because it is already in the form of what it is needed by the title function. Okay, the title function, which is generally going to be convert each beginning character of a particular word inside the sentence, it generally, or inside the string, is generally going to be converted to the uppercase. If there is already present, then okay, it's okay. If there is not present in the form of uppercase, it is going to be changes. Okay, so this is the main thing, the title function, how it is going to be work. Fine. If you have any doubt, go to the comment box, type there. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.